Okay, so check this out. I've got the 1,800-pound casters, and they swivel really good. Putting them on this table here. I've only got one left to do, but thought I'd make a review video, and really like these. They swivel. They swivel really good, but they roll and spin really good. You might not be able to see that, but they spin really good. So this inner part right here stays, I guess, stationary. It doesn't move at all. It's this outside part that you can see moves, but they swivel really good. And it does come with the bolts and washers and a wrench, but I'm putting this right into 4x4s. So I'm just using lag bolts with a washer, and then putting a little socket on the end of a drill right here. So anyway, I've got one more to do. Seem pretty solid, pretty firm. Seems like they're gonna do the job really good, and they lock down really good. So that's not going anywhere. So seems to work pretty good. I highly recommend these, and I can already tell that these are gonna make this table roll really good as well. So anyway, definitely check this out. Highly recommend this. I'm just putting them in with lag bolts, one on each corner, and one more to do.